So lately I was building a project which was actually a hospital website, and I was accepting every single suggestion of line of code that AI was giving me. And when I returned back to my own code, guys, I couldn't realize or understand any single line because everything was just breaking. And today I got one simple rule that fixes everything. In an era where we are using tools every day as junior developers, it's really important and crucial to learn how to fix everything and to learn effectively with these tools. So stick in with me. I'm going to show you how everything that I built broke and one rule that fixed everything. So if you look here at the screen, you're going to see this file. I was building a hospital website, and I guess you can see this variable is called last scroll top. So it is written twice. I guess you can see it is written twice, and in JavaScript this crashes your code instantly. So I guess you can see, and the AI tool wrote this line, then a line later it wrote the same line again, and I accepted it without reading it, so it was just predicting the next word. This actually showed me one reality, and here is one simple reality that nobody's talking about. So AI tools are not some sophisticated super magical tools that can just create anything from scratch without getting some errors. Actually, there are some that are programmed to predict the next line based on patterns on how they are programmed. So here in my project, you're seeing that it was just predicting the next move, not fixing everything, but just predicting every single move. So what makes us powerful is not just allowing what we don't understand, it's actually telling it what we want and how we want it. Tools can generate a full website. It is real powerful when you are the one in control, instead of letting it do other stuff that you need to do. Another thing, you need to understand that these tools actually don't know your aim. They don't know your goal and what you're planning to do. So if you start accepting every single line of code that you don't really understand, copy pasting, it will actually make your skills more shallow and back to zero. Guys, I want to be honest with you. Sitting at my own screen and looking at my code, not understanding anything after putting in some hard work, it didn't feel good, and it actually broke me a bit, because as someone who's just building out from scratch, a junior developer, when things break, it really has a way it demotivates you, you know. But actually, I realized that feeling sad is not failure. It's just my brain trying to learn new patterns and new ways of making things. And after a while, things start to stick and they make sense. That's one thing that I know. So every single developer that you admire out there, or people who made it, or who built nice product that are being used today, they once sat in front of their computer, confused and not knowing what to do. But those who made it are not those who were strong or something. They are those ones who just refused to quit, guys. I'm sorry to get emotional there, but that's...
If you're still new to our channel, head over to the search bar and search Baraka Builds and click in the profile to get the original channel, and click subscribe and press the notification bell. You can also visit our shorts that we publish every single week, and just support our channel, guys.
Here is one simple rule that I'm not holding back. So every time you create a project and you want to implement in some AI codes, first ask yourself, is this something that my projects need? Or one, since you are able to explain it in a loud voice and in simplest term to a 5-year-old, don't use it. Only first understand the logic behind it, understand what it means and why your projects need it. Don't just copy paste some AI codes that you don't really understand. So if you don't have a mentor, I prefer using Claude, because it's not just like a tool. It feels like a real teacher, a real world developer. And ask it some good prompts like, don't give me the solution, tell me what I'm thinking wrong, and show me the logic behind every tab. This is one of the prompts that have changed my workflow, because it helped me understand the logic behind everything, not just the ready solution that will later break that I can't debug. From now on, don't treat AI as a ghostwriter just to generate some random codes that you can't debug. Treat it as a teacher and a mentor. In every step that you do, make sure it is assisting you and not doing the work for you. Yeah, this is the difference between someone who is learning and someone who is just having some full broken project onto their laptop. So thank you for making it till the end, guys. If you're still new to this channel, consider subscribing. Barak at Baraka Builds. And if you're also a junior developer or wants to enter into tech, you can consider to join our community where we discuss every single thing, the struggles, the wins, and the updates that are coming into the industry. Together, I believe we can build the next future in Africa, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.